On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about built-in functions in TypeScript. It includes functions essential for programming with TypeScript such as parseInt, isNone, encode URI, and setTimeout. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. Built-in functions in TypeScript are convenient functions provided to perform everyday operations concisely. These are standard JavaScript functions with added type safety, making them particularly useful when coding in TypeScript. Here, we will explain in detail some important built-in functions, their usage, and type specification. TypeScript's built-in functions are based on standard JavaScript functions. Applying TypeScript's type system enhances type checking and autocomplete. The main functions include the following. These functions are widely used in TypeScript projects for concise data conversion and evaluation. parseInt is a function used to convert a string to an integer. You can specify the radix, such as binary, decimal, as the second argument. In TypeScript, you can specify the type as follows. Specify the input as a string with value, string. The return value is explicitly specified as a number type. parseFloat is a function used to convert a string to a floating point number. parseFloat can correctly parse numbers including decimal points. By specifying the type, you can receive a warning during type checking if the input is not a number. isNone is a function that determines if the given value is nan, not a number. An example usage in TypeScript is as follows. The unknown type is a generic type that can accept any type. Convert to a number using the number function, and check if the result is nan. Is finite determines if a value is finite. This function also uses number to convert the value to a number before determining. The number function converts strings or Boolean values to numbers. In this example, a union type, string, Boolean, is used to specify that the argument is either a string or a Boolean. The string function converts numbers or Boolean values to strings. In this example, a function is created that accepts a union of number, Boolean, type and converts the result to a string. The array function is used to create a new array. Additionally, it provides many useful methods for creating subarrays from existing arrays or extracting specific elements. This example demonstrates how to create a new array using the array function and create a subarray using the slice method. Array determines whether the given value is an array. Using the unknown type, we accept any type while checking if it's an array. The eval function evaluates a string as an expression and returns the result. However, it is not recommended for use due to security and performance risks. In this example, an expression provided as a string is evaluated using eval, and the result is outputted. The encode URI function encodes the entire URL and escapes certain characters. This example encodes spaces into %20 inches to generate a safe URL. The decode URI function decodes an encoded URL back to its original format. This example decodes an encoded URL string back to the original URL. The setTimeout function executes a specified function after the given delay time, in milliseconds. This example displays a message after 2 seconds. The setInterval function repeatedly executes a specified function at the specified interval, in milliseconds. This example displays a message at 1-second intervals and stops after being executed 3 times. TypeScript's built-in functions enable safer and more efficient coding by adding type safety to standard JavaScript functions. These functions simplify everyday programming tasks and improve code readability and maintainability. Each function is used correctly according to its purpose, and by specifying types, it can detect errors in advance, playing an important role in enhancing the reliability of the development process. By using TypeScript, development can take advantage of static typing while leveraging the flexibility of JavaScript. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.